Hey guys, it's Sarah with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we have a review and install of the Quad Pro LED projector headlight with black housing and clear lens, fitting your 09 to 18 Ram 1500 without projector headlights. These are perfect for the Ram owner looking to replace their headlights with an upgrade over the factory reflectors and wants a projector option that features black styling and a modern design similar to the new gen of Ram. These Quad Pro LED projector headlights feature LED high and low beams with 550 color temperature. Some of the more exciting features of this headlight are the daytime running light bars and sequential signals, but it also meets DOT and SAE requirements, meaning they're legal for on-road use. So as far as price goes, these headlights come in at around $750 for the pair, which is middle of the road price-wise when compared to other options. And for your money, you are getting a projector-style headlight with black housings and a modern design that comes with a lot of the features of the more expensive options at a much more affordable price point. And as far as the install goes, I'm giving this one a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It does feature a direct bolt-up and plug-and-play install with no wiring required that can be done within 1 hour. So with that said, let's check out our install. For this install, you will need a ratchet. We used an electric one, but a standard one will work fine, and a 10mm socket. All right, so for the first step in our install, you're gonna pop your hood, and then we're gonna remove the 4 10mm bolts that hold on our grille. So I wanted to point out on our truck, there should be 2 10mm bolts in each of these spots, but our brackets are broken, so there are no bolts here. But on your truck, you will have to remove a 10mm bolt from each of these locations. Moving on to the other side, let's remove these 10mm bolts. All right, now that the bolts are removed from our grill, we can pull the top part of it off, and then you'll have to pull straight out to release the metal clips along the bottom. Next up, we can now see the 2 10mm that are holding on our headlight. We're gonna remove both of these right now. All right, so now we can grab the headlight and just pull straight forward to release a pin towards the back. So that is the pin that you have to release. And then we're gonna disconnect both of these plugs. Make sure you pull back on the red tab, press down, and release. Now, if you are having trouble getting your headlight out, there is a small plastic tab behind the headlight. If you push up on it, it makes this opening a lot larger, unlocks the headlight. You can access this by going in through your wheel well liner. All right, so to install this headlight, go ahead and line up your marker light connector. Make sure you press down on the red tab. Next up, we're plugging in the main harness connector. Same thing, line it up, press down the red tab. Route your wiring in a safe location. If you want to throw a couple zip ties on there, that works. Make sure it's away from anything moving, hot, or sharp. Line up the tabs at the back of the headlight and press it into place. Using the factory hardware, install it through the mounting points. There'll be one bolt up top here, and then the one in the bottom that you removed as well. Grab your 10mm socket and tighten it down. All right, now that we have our factory headlight uninstalled from our truck, we can check it out side by side with our new headlight here. And as you can see, design-wise, they're very different from one another. This new headlight features a black housing to give you that more aftermarket look. In addition, it also features accent LEDs, which are a nice touch, and there's an important functional difference as well. This new headlight features a projector-style lens, which gets you a brighter, more focused beam of light when compared to the reflector of the factory. So, with that said, let's finish up our install. All right, now that we have our driver headlight installed, we're gonna repeat that process on the passenger side. With both headlights installed, grab your grill and line it up on the truck. There are several tabs on the bottom of the grill, make sure those are lined up, and then line up the 4 plastic tabs on top as well. Press it into place. Reinstall the factory hardware in the top of your grill. Grab your 10mm socket and tighten it down. All right, so that is going to do it for the review and install of these headlights. And remember, for all things Ram, keep it at AmericanTrucks.com.